Hello everyone and welcome to the channel as I do. Now I bring you this tip to make a hiding place in plain sight for your money, ID, keys or whatever you can see that can fit. Whether for when you go to the beach or go on a trip or in the same clubs where you cannot carry your wallet by hand and you do not have the confidence to leave it there in sight of everyone or in the lockers of said establishments. This is ideal for storing this type of things and that no one suspects that you have something valuable there. We are going to need a stick deodorant that we no longer use or that is about to run out, and preferably with the cap that it comes with when it is new. That it still has one more layer of deodorant than what is seen in the video, since the point is that it looks like it is new. And what we can store, which in this case is a car or house key and money in both bills and coins, and what you need to hide, and now I'll show you how. The first thing we'll do is grab the deodorant, uncover it and remove the protection from when it comes new, and the part that makes the deodorant come out. We'll remove this by turning it as if we were taking out the stick to apply it, but until it comes out, as seen below. Once everything is disassembled, we proceed to clean it since there's excess deodorant inside and it can stain something we put in, but the good news is that everything we put in will smell good. I remove the stabs because of the marks, but you leave them on so it looks like a normal deodorant. Already washed. We take a paper towel and fold it so we can dry the inside part that is what will carry our belongings. Dry it as best as possible and if not, leave it longer and it will dry by itself. Once it has dried completely, we proceed to put whatever we think fits and want to put in the deodorant container. In this case, it is the car key, but it can also be the house keys, bills that we always carry when we are at the beach, pool, etc., or when we go on a trip and we do not want to take out all the money when we walk. You can put it in one fold or fold it more and it will fit better and there will be no problem when putting it in. I also put coins so you can see that there's still enough space. We grab the part that has the deodorant and put it on top. We turn it so that it is coiled again as if we were using it normally. Next we put the protective cover that will give it that new look. That's why I told you to try to have even more of the bar so that the plastic holes that hold it can't be seen. And so when you close it everyone will think it's a new deodorant without any joke, and the chances of them checking a deodorant or stealing it are minimal. So now you have your perfect hiding place and in sight. And to get your things out, just open the cover, remove the protector and turn until the bar comes out. And you will be able to access your belongings, without anyone having the slightest idea that you left something there. If you have any doubts about the coins, that is, about them making noise, you can put them in with one of those cloths to clean glasses, screens, etc. But the truth is I didn't have any problem with them making noise at all. And as I said, the chances of someone checking a deodorant for money are minimal. As you know, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your friends and family, like the Facebook page and remember to check out the other videos because I assure you that you will find one that will be very useful. Thanks for watching and I hope this advice is useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thanks.